e launching for vaccination as we bisa berapa jauh dapat format kita pun biar saya berjaya kisah satu ini bercerita tentang where aci coba program kisah satu ini saya coba tunjukkan where orang-orang berjalan Dominicans ia coba satu cuci aci berisi launching a Pfizer vaccination really nearly 11 years as and the Turo Warison as Turo Water as Turo Water Turo One nurture where MFN first Steven in our guest on the finance Fiti Nurul Johnson, Aceh municipal government. Buat progres kepada Sabun River Bukten, Yesia pada Aceh Laut Cimol Warga, Mencia Aceh Warga, Aceh Juru Wabisi. Buat Robon Aceh Warga, where House of Representative. The House of Senate, and Cabinet Speaker, the Speaker, Mr. Daniel Marsai, and our guest from the Finance, and this fair one, with the filament here, House of Representative. Also, we are to this fair one, President Arampuri, and I will certainly move to House of Senate, he certainly want the Finance, with the filament. Political presiding officers, the members of our House of Senate. But Turo Chairman Julio Hana, members on the House of Senate, Muhammad Defiras, former Director Raji Chuk, Raji Puri of Raji Chuk. Turo Secretary Marcos Samo, Bari at the Fulvachi, Yan Singapore Cultural Health, the Social Affairs, Naracha Gura, FSM, Government. Rowan, Bosco, Director Bosco Blanche, Ia Commissioner Kimuri, Mutu, Aceh, Health Services, North Rowan Siki, Rowan, Wari Chemika Kevin, the elected principal. And just one nice school, young and bright guy. Kevin, we are the ten. We are this what we are telling favor, case, from Burina, Aragini program, Federaci Launchi, Narachi Breaker. To reward medicine, all the guys from the national government. Thank you all for coming to Chuk and at this launching of the Pfizer for age 5 to 17. At 75 or medicine. Distinguished guests, teachers, parents, and students, ladies and gentlemen. At Kabulin, Bifan Soyo Ragabim and medicine. Igere, Siya Fishing 10, Aceh program. Very COVID-19 vaccination, very new, very young of when that's possible, and Sarafa, there are students in Guarata, where I get the changing kids, not fast. First off, some grateful many at Skiton, kids on the kids, now a Pfizer vaccination, getting here, at Kevin, United States of America, where continuing and unwavering support and assistance in the supplies of COVID-19 vaccines. Some are fortunate, some are grateful from multitude of countries that we are to have COVID-19 vaccines for adults, but also for our 5 to 17 years old children. Vaccination is a way of thoughts, maybe vaccination is a people sitting on the fossil subtlety. Toria to is the fan. He treats us up way, vaccination. Very piece of the virus, we don't read a piece of somewhere. It will continue our guidance. Appear, you get what it falls, what infected, never kids. COVID-19 is a one suffer. COVID-19 means one infectious, nearly is a bad armas. Getting the young or old, getting COVID morning, get COVID morning, getting government, you get private employees, getting citizenship or nationality, religious beliefs or status as a say. I say something again is someone COVID-19. You know, they found so outside of the American America, actually the percent, getting here, say, getting over the soup, out of body, they also Pfizer vaccines. But we don't know what for us too. We don't know what for us. We don't know what for us. We scientifically proven that COVID-19 vaccination greatly reduces the risk of fatal hospitalization of COVID-19 infections. We must and we shall not wait for COVID-19 out of reaching RJ shores and get the vaccine. Kids, parents, some main obligation to ensure the health and well-being of our children. Vaccinating adults and leaving our children from COVID-19 exposures and infections is the greatest unacceptable risk that we should even take or imagine. Vaccination, usually cause vaccination. Minne kids begin severe mukdera our bodies are purpose to COVID-19 vaccination, a way federally, a way of requirement, enrollment, non-anticipation. Give Burja as much a butcher a vaccination of medicine, no ski surgery, and some which also Bogota was a double as a tourism to double non-level Abbey, Burabi, Igaraichu, Abbey, Pachu, Meso, Babano. She will accept the fact that sooner or later, a COVID-19 it was a ordinary flu. How soon a ordinary flu, regardless was about someone mabera a someone may avisado. Vetangani, Verwatsky, a Piraso. The kids we think era route through precautionary measures. Some increase bugis we COVID-free. Natania, possible move, say COVID-free, as COVID-safe. And so it's very COVID-free, look good, never take responsibility, body, a COVID-19.